So you want to do transmission repair, huh? This is the kind of stuff you got to do. TR 3550 coming in. They actually had a little hiccup when they were going to install it, and they broke the air off. And we got a brand new case. I'm going to swap everything to the new case. A nice new case here. Definitely some nice looking gears in here. Lever here out of the case, transport that over. Usually they don't like to come out very easily, so I'm gonna put a little heat on it. Well, gotta love it when that happens. The tamper-proof star bits with the hole in the middle. Now let's see what I got. Get to go out to the store and buy a new socket. Well, that's all it takes to set your whole day back. Just one little tool that breaks. Set you back a few hours. Got my new socket. I only had it in 1/4 inch. Yep. Well, just wasted my afternoon with that. This is a strut nut from a Fox body, and I'm gonna weld this to that. And hopefully that'll give me some more torque instead of that stupid star bit. There we go, just gonna get a couple tacks on it. All right, so far so good. A couple spots, got a little too hot because I kept running into pieces on the transmission, running into the reverse light switch. But let's see if that'll hold up and see if we can get this thing out. Look at that, like butter. So you want to do transmission repair, huh? This is the kind of stuff you got to do. There we go, look at that thing. Nice brand new case. Well, there it is, all done. Next up, we got a T56 with a complaint of a second gear grind. This is out of a Corvette, so I'm gonna pop this open. Stay tuned for the next video.